Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the NPCI DBT bank account name not showing problem easily. If your bank account name is not showing on the NPCI DBT website, then follow these steps carefully. First of all, this problem mostly happens because the NPCI website server is down or crashing due to heavy traffic. So don't panic. Step number 1, check whether the NPCI site is loading properly or not. Sometimes the website crashes temporarily and the account details stop showing. Step number 2, open Chrome browser, settings and clear cache and data. After clearing cache, reopen the browser and try again. Step 3, refresh the NPCI website properly and check again. And if the issue still appears, then wait for some time because sometimes the NPCI server takes time to respond. After waiting for a while, try again and your bank account name may start showing successfully. That's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.